Hello foodies, you're watching Ready Steady Cook with SK. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Along with that, press the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. Now, we are going to see the recipe of ravioli, chicken ravioli with a tangy sauce. It'll be very different and creamy. It'll be very yummy. Please give a try. For Tamil version of chicken ravioli, please check the link in description box. The ingredients are maida 1 cup, chicken 100 grams, onions 2, tomato 2, pepper powder 1/4 spoon, chili powder 1 spoon, milk 1/2 cup, mayonnaise 1 spoon, oil and salt. The cooking time for this will be 45 minutes and it can be served for 2. First, we are going to take in a cup of maida. To that, we are going to add in some salt. Now we are going to add water and make it a soft dough. We have to knead it for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Then only the dough will be very soft. Now we are going to make the stuffing for ravioli. For this, I have taken 100 grams of chicken, minced chicken, and 2 spoons of onions, chopped onions, some salt, and 1/4 spoon of pepper powder. Give it a good mix, and this is going to be our stuffing for ravioli. Now we are going to spread the dough and make it to a square shape. In that, we are going to make 4 small squares. Cut it gently. In the same way, we can make another 4. This much thickness will be correct. Now spread the square sheets and place the stuffing. Now we are going to cover it up with the other 4 sheets. Just press the edges so that the stuffing will not come out. Take a fork and press gently on the edges. It will look very nice. The ravioli pockets are ready and we are going to boil it. Take a cup of water and we are going to drop in the raviolis. Let it boil for some 5 to 7 minutes in high flame. Now just turn the other side and let it cook for some 1 to 2 minutes. And they are ready now. The next step is we are going to make the tangy sauce for this ravioli. Take a kadai and add in 2 spoons of oil. In that, add in 1 chopped onion. Let it saute for some time. Add in some salt that helps the onion to get fried easier. Now we are going to add in tomato paste. This is a tomato paste made up of 2 tomatoes. This gives the tangy flavor. Let it cook for some time. Now add in 1 spoon of chili powder and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. To this we are going to add in 1 spoon of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of milk. You can add milk to the consistency whichever you want. This consistency will be perfect. Now we are going to drop in the boiled raviolis in the sauce. With the spoon, gently press them inside so that the sauce will come on top. Let it cook for some 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Now they are ready and well soaked. We are going to plate it. Chicken ravioli with tangy sauce is ready now. I'm going to have it. You also please try it. It will be very delicious. Try it and share your comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.